Lunch is the meal that often feels boring to various members of the family. It is easy to get caught up in making exactly the same thing every day, whether eating clean or not. There is no need for this, however. Here are several clean eating lunch ideas that will help your family enjoy each and every time you make it. Number 1. Ultimate Tuna Sandwich. Start by using a healthy bread such as sprouted whole grain bread, and then make the filling for this tasty lunch. Empty a can of tuna into a bowl, and add anything you please such as chopped olives, pickles, celery, scallions and even carrots chopped into tiny pieces. Sprinkle a little pepper in, and then use a clean eating approved mayo to mix it together. Add a piece of lettuce or tomato to your sandwich before serving, and enjoy. Number 2. Salad. Salad doesn't have to be boring. Use a base of lettuce, trying various types of lettuce to keep things interesting. Add any vegetable, fruit and other topping you desire and have on hand, such as sliced bell peppers, red onions, avocado, strawberries, blueberries, mangoes, chickpeas and mixed nuts and seeds. Number 3. Quinoa salad. Quinoa is one of the world's most popular health foods. Quinoa is gluten-free, high in protein and one of the few plant foods that contain all 9 essential amino acids. It is also high in fiber, magnesium, B vitamins, iron, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, vitamin E and various beneficial antioxidants. Number 4. Veggie salad rolls. With a few rice paper wrappers and lots of vegetables, you can create a lunch that is delicious and satisfying. Soak each rice paper wrapper in water for several seconds, then fill it with pre-cut veggies, such as bean sprouts, scallions, carrots and lettuce. Add a little homemade peanut sauce made from peanut butter, tamari, ginger, crushed garlic, maple syrup, and lime juice. Number 5. Chili. Chili is a great way to make an easy and healthy lunch, and to use up leftovers while you are at it. Use a slow cooker for a lunch that you can prepare earlier and enjoy later. Simply add any variety of canned beans, tomato sauce, tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, and garlic to the crock pot. Add your favorite spices such as cumin and chili powder, and let the slow cooker sit several hours on either low or high setting, depending on how long it will cook for. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for getting this kind of videos in the future. Please like and share this video.